Hello cuties, welcome back to today's online yoga class. Today we will be doing day 3 for phonics introduction. We will revise what are blends. Yes, in our previous class we learned how to read a word by breaking the sounds of the words, right? Yes, by using shoulder to hand method, we learned how to read a word by breaking the words into beginning, middle and then end. Yes. குட்டீஸ் நம்ம நேற்று என்ன பார்த்தோம், எப்படி ஒரு வேர்டில் வந்து பிகினிங் சவுண்ட், மிடில் சவுண்ட், எண்ட் சவுண்டுன்னு பிரித்து அதை நம்ம படிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நேற்று பார்த்தோம். ஓகேங்களா? எப்படி ஒரு வேர்டை வந்து நம்ம இந்த மூணாக பிரித்து ரீட் பண்ண முடியுங்கிறத நேற்று நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம், ஷோல்டர் டு ஹேண்ட் மெத்தடில் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? எஸ், டுடே we going to learn the blends. What are blends? Yes, in a previous class we learned what are blends. Blends means when two or three letters, each and every word is made of few letters, right? Yes, in blends, when a word is made of two or three letters comes together, they makes a new or same sound. That is known as blend. I'm going to say this again. Listen to me carefully. What are blends? What are blends? Blends means two or three letters comes together. They makes a new or same sound. Yes, that is known as blend. Have you got it? எஸ், பிளெண்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னா ஒரு வேர்டில் ரெண்டு அல்லது மூணு சவுண்ட்ஸ், மூணு லெட்டர்ஸ் வந்து அந்த மூணு லெட்டர்ஸ் சேர்ந்து வந்து நமக்கு வந்து ஒரே சவுண்டு, சேம் சவுண்டாகவும் இருக்கலாம், அந்த லெட்டர்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய சேம் சவுண்டாகவும் இருக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா ஒரு புது சவுண்டையும் நமக்கு கொடுக்கலாம். அப்படி இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு பேர் தான் பிளெண்ட்ஸ். ரெண்டு அல்லது மூணு லெட்டர்ஸ் சேர்ந்து வந்து நமக்கு சேம் சவுண்டு, ஒரே சவுண்டாகவும் இருக்கலாம், இல்லை ஒரு நியூ சவுண்டையும் நமக்கு கொடுக்கலாம். இதுதான் blends. எஸ், கேன் யூ say along with me? எஸ், just repeat after me, ma. When two or three letters comes together, they makes a new or same sound. That is known as blends. Okay children, let us learn some new blend sounds. In our today's class we are going to learn some new blend sounds. I will be showing a few words. You just listen to the screen carefully. Look at the screen. There are few words with the blend sounds that we learnt today. Listen to this. Sl. Here two letters come together to make the new sound sl. Sl. Say along with me. Sl. Sl. Slide. Sl. Sleep. Slippers. Slow. Yes, can you say again? Slide. Sleep. Slippers. Slow. Let us move to the next sound. See the next sound. Here two letters S and T, right? These two letters come together to make the single sound st. St. Say along with me. St. St. Star. St. Stamp. St. Stairs. St. Store. st. What sound is this? St. See the next sound. Sp. 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 Spider. Sp. Spoon. Sp. Spinach. Sp. Spray. What sound is this? Sp. Shall we move to the next sound? See the next sound ma. Here S and N comes together to make the new sound. Sn. Sn. Say along with me. Sn. Sn. Snack. Sn. Snake. Sn. Snore. Sn. Snail. Sn. I hope you learned these new sounds very well. Shall we move to the next new sounds? Look at this. Here is a new sound. Here S and C. These two letters come together to make the new sound. Sk. Sk. Say along with me. Sk. Screw. Sk. Scarf. Sk. Scale. Sk. Scad. Sk. What sound is this? Sk. Shall we move to the next one? Here S and W. These two letters to make the new sound. Sw. 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 Sweep. Sw. Switch. Sw. Sweater. Sw. Swing. Swing. See the next one. Sk. Sk. Skate. Sk. Skeleton. Sk. Skirt. Sk. Sky. Sk. What sound is this? Sk. Here's the next sound ma. Sm. What sound is this? Sm. Sm. Small. Sm. Smell. Sm. Smoke. Sm. Smile. Sm. Say again. Sm. Sm. Okay, children. I hope you learned these new sounds very well. Shall we move to the next words? Look at this. Here, some words are given. By using blending technique, we try to read this word. Blending technique is not we have to identify the beginning, middle and then end sound. Finally, join all the sounds together and then try to read this word. Right? That is known as blending technique. Look at this first word. Here, the beginning blend sound is sl. Sl. And then middle sound e. End sound sl. E. Sl. E. Slim. Slim. Look at the next word. Yes, here also the beginning blend sound is sl. Middle sound e. End sound p. Sl. E. P. Sl. E. P. Slip. Say along with me. Slip. Next word. What is the beginning blend sound of this word? St. St. Middle sound A. And then end sound St a st a stem. Stem. Look at the next word. The beginning blunt sound is st, and then middle sound end sound st st stand. Stand. Can you repeat after me? Stand. Shall we move to the next one? Look at the last one. Here the beginning blunt sound is sn. Middle sound a. End sound p. Sn a p. Sn a p. Snap. Snap. Look at the screen, cuties. Here I gave some words to practice by using the blending technique. You just listen to the word carefully. Try to identify the beginning, middle and then end sound of each and every word. Try to join all the sounds together and then read the word. Right. You just practice as your own, ma. You have to practice reading the word as your own in your home itself. Okay, cuties. This is your homework today. You just practice those words by blending technique as your own. See you in our next class, ma. All of you take care. Thank you. Bye.